What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Tuesday, June 24th, 2025. Yesterday, we officially hit 90 degrees here in the great communist state of New York. And this morning, it is 5:35 in the morning. It's already 76 degrees. Very humid, and a projected high today of around 94 degrees. We're starting a double install this morning, a little bit earlier than normal. We're going to be at the job a little before 7 o'clock in the morning. We already, last week, previously mounted both outdoor condensing units, those side discharge private label Mikey Pipes by ACIQ. We didn't connect the line set or the electrical to them, but they are mounted on the wall with the Rector Seal wall mount condenser brackets. We have two air handlers that are in an attic, pull downstairs, full OSHA approved plywood, almost. I'm nervous. I'm a little nervous because yesterday, while we were done right around 12 o'clock in a kind of insulated attic, today is not going to be the case. So I'm nervous. I'm nervous when we get into the early afternoon. Are we going to have a situation? So I have an extra cooler with me. I got the tent for outside because there's no shade. And I'm going to grab some fans that I have in the shop. And we're going to do our best to do our job and stay safe. And at the end of the day, deliver not only comfort indoor cooling on 2 floors for this residential client, but also give them an ultra-efficient heat pump system. Epic. Now, yesterday, while Daniel, Derek, and myself were on that 2.5 ton ACIQ replacement system, our electrician was here and did some work on the live demonstration model. This is the 18,000 BTU ducted side discharge inverter, high efficiency R454B indoor air handling unit and our outdoor condensing unit. Beautiful gold coated coil, not only in the indoor evaporator, but the outdoor condensing coil. My electrician, he wired in this box. Okay, I got a box there. We got two breakers. We got one for the compressor and another set for the blower. We're going to be able to plug this bad boy in during our free Friday events, which is here at Pipe Doctor Home Services, located at 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere, New York. Every Friday until Labor Day. As long as I'm not on vacation, as long as I'm here in New York, Friday starting at 1 o'clock, free hot dogs, free french fries, cotton candy, and popcorn. Beverages, $1.75, and it's all to raise awareness for our nonprofit organization, the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Organization, where we provide free or low-cost plumbing, heating, cooling services to those in the community who can't afford a hire professional. If you can't make it, I would love for you to support our cause by picking up a limited edition Mikey Pipes poster. This is version 2.0, and yes, I'll honor the $40 price because it's like false advertising. $40 delivered anywhere in the United States. I'm going to autograph it for you, and every single one is numbered. We are up to number 36, ladies and gentlemen. 36, so that's double high. If you want to get a poster number 36, what are you waiting for? Do it now. Details in the description box down below. Now, for all of my very loyal subscribers and viewers to not only the Uncensored channel, but the the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. You guys are going to know that I've been having problems with the JB Climate Class wireless temperature clamps. Earlier this cooling season, it was probably in April, one of the clamps just snapped in half. You know what I'm talking about. One of these. They just snapped in half. Right there. Right there. Just snapped. Normal use. I call them up. They tell me it's best that I call the point of purchase, which was True Tech Tools. By the way, if you purchase anything HVACR, like tools and things like that you need, you got to use True Tech Tools. And use promo code Know-It-All. KNOWITALL. You get 7% off. Trust me, it's not my promo code. I am not one of their true friends. But you know what? If we can get 7% off, which maybe saving some tax, all the power to us. Sharing is caring. So I reached out to True Tech Tools a few months ago, and they were more than happy to oblige and set up a return authorization, and I got a new climate class wireless temperature clamp probe to replace the one that was broken after I sent it to them. And it didn't really cost me anything except some time. It was about a week out of commission without having that one clamp, so I couldn't do superheater subcooling on these very expensive climate class probes that I bought. I was, okay, no problem, shit happens. You know, it broke, not a big deal. But last week, during one of the parts of the 2-day installing 2 more ACIQ 3-ton systems, I just pulled it out of the bag, it's broken. I'm like, what the fuck is this? So I sent a picture of that to True Tech Tools, and something got lost in translation, but whatever. And then I also went on their JB's YouTube channel, and I was trying to find reviews of these, and I found their video on their own climate class set, and I let the comments like, hey, you know what, your shit sucks, right? 2 probes in 2 months, no bueno. I get a response to that comment in about less than a day. Ask me to please email them, and they'll just mention this comment, and we'll take care of the rest. Okay. So I screenshotted the comment, and I forwarded it to JB. Earlier that day, I get an email saying, blah, 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 taking care of it. But not only did I get on the house, brand new set, I also got this funky hat, and it's a real hat with an American flag on it. Is it made in the U.S.? No, it's fucking made in China. God damn it. Fuck! God damn it! Oh, man, come on, JB. You had me with the freaking hat with the flag on it. You instead of the stars representing the 50 states, even though some of them are communist. We have JB there. You got the American flag. You got the nice metal buckle there. And then you have this fucking thing said 100% cotton, made in fucking China. What the fuck? It is what it is. I got this valve core torque tool, which they sent, and they sent a sticker. Maybe they know I like stickers, but they sent it all in a nice box with plenty of wrapping, packaging, bubbles, you know. Hold on, I'm gonna drive you guys crazy right now. You know I am, right? Fuck you. Here we go. Oh, what the hell? Oh, don't tell me it's one of those where it goes into the next. It does go into the next. There you go. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. If you're not having fun, what the fuck are you doing then? So, and then, before that went down, I bought an extra one from True Tech Tools because I couldn't stand them breaking all the time. And every time it dies, It's a problem. It is what it is. Hold on. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's 10 minutes to 6 here in the morning in the great communist state of New York. It's fucking hot out there. It is 75 with 92% humidity outside. You know, I'm going to crank it down here a little bit. Oh, yeah, why not? We did not have a class yesterday. 2 of the 3 students in the class, just because they're also in the HVAC world, they're like, listen, I can't make it today. I was like, yeah, I don't blame you. I can't make it either. And I'm like swimming in my pool at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Just keeping it real. What? I can't keep it real? Can't keep it real? Come on. I'm looking forward to setting this up, having this go live at a Free Friday event. You know, on last Free Friday's event, we sold one. This exact model. Tits! Love it. Show and tell. Show and tell, ladies and gentlemen. I am not looking forward to today. I am not. I am not looking forward to today. Did you not? Sure ain't. Let's see. Hold on. Am I missing a thermostat? No, I didn't sell these 2 with a thermostat. So these 2 are going today. 1, 2. And then we have the 12,000, the 36, which will probably go in the next month and a half. New construction project. I have an 18,000 coming in, and I have a 36,000 coming in. These things sell like they sell themselves. They really do. If you're an HVAC installer, company, contractor, you want to give your customers a great value, check out the ACIQ line. This is the Extreme Plus. We have the nice modern rounded edges, like little miniature waterfalls. It's a really sleek machine. The dark gray I'm really digging. Side discharge, so if you have side yard setbacks or limitation for spacing, it's a no-brainer. Whisper quiet operation. Check it out, aciq.com/Mikey Pipes. Tell them I sent you, you know the rest. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to please, I'm specifically getting out this video early. I want to launch it before 6:15. It takes a little minute to process, but I want you all to make sure, please stay hydrated today. All you guys in the trades, working outside, even in attics, God bless you guys today. It's going to be a rough, hot day today, especially here in the Northeast, New York metropolitan area. Remember, Friday, get a selfie with your hot wife. Come on down to Pipe Doctor here in Woodmere. Sit on the bench outside with your wife. Get a selfie. And do good. Catch you in the next one. Please be safe out there.